Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm very sorry for not posting yesterday immediately after our game against Ashantigold. I was in Accra covering the House of Oak and Great Olympics game, and that game was pretty interesting because of the atmosphere, and I thought it was a very good advertisement for the Ghana Premier League. Now let's talk about our game against Ashantigold. I felt that, we have reached that time of the season where we shouldn't worry about the style of play if we get the results we want. Because if you watch the House of Oak game and the Great Olympics game, you see that both teams had what do you call it, a style. Both teams had a style. House of Oak, they use attack to defend. They attack you so that they don't have to defend. That is what they do, and that is how they have been scoring goals, and that's how they've been keeping clean sheets, and that's how they've been winning games, and that is working for them. They're currently at the top of the table with goal difference. It shows the quality and the style of play. Great Olympics, on the other hand, they're very committed. They're a compact team. They have a goal. They know what to do when what is required of them and all that. These are teams that have the style of play. Kotoko, Mariano Berrettoo is still experimenting. You see our game against Great Olympics, he used a 3-back, and when I saw the starting lineup, I was like, he's been experimenting, so I don't have the strength to worry myself or talk about the lineup, because let's just see what happens. Andrew Powell made his debut against Ashantigold. I thought he was very good. I would give him like 7/10, because for him, 19 years old, to put that kind of performance in the Ashanti Derby, your first game for Kotoko is the Ashanti Derby, and you put out that impressive performance, I think it should be applaudable. And I hope that Mariano Berrettoo continues to play him. I don't think he will be starting, obviously, all the game, but I think he should continue, have maybe come as a sub or something like that. He should be integrated in the team as time goes on till the end of the season, because I think he has a very, very good future ahead of him at Kotoko. And I was pleased with the way we lined up. The first half was pretty okay. We got the goal, and with that incident, the Emmanuel Jimfi ball that he dribbled the goalkeeper, and the goalkeeper touched the ball outside the box. I thought it was a disgrace, because I thought the Ghana Premier League officiating would be improving, but it's still going down. Daniel Lai, the person they claimed the best referee in the Ghana Premier League, one of the best in Africa, saw that and he couldn't do anything. I think it's a disgrace. I think it shouldn't happen in the Ghana Premier League. I think that the GFA should look into that, because it shouldn't be happening in the Ghana Premier League. So that was a disgrace. I thought that would have been a major, I know it's still a talking point, it would have been a major talking point, assuming Kotoko failed to win that game. It would have been a major talking point, and they were lucky. I mean, the officials, they were lucky Kotoko won that game, because that would have been a major talking point, because that offense was a straight red card, and a free kick for Kotoko. Yes, it would have been a straight red card and a free kick for Kotoko if the referee did the right thing. So I feel that officiating should improve from next season, because this is almost, and we had like 7 or 6 games to go. Yeah, we have like 7 or 6 games to go, and I think they should just try and call the games right, try and do what is right, and things will go well, because everyone is watching this. People from outside the country, Ghanaians, are watching this, and if something happens like this, they lose interest in the league. Everyone is focusing on the European League because of the solid nature of the officiating and how classy and authentic everything is in the European League. If we do something like that in the Ghana Premier League, everyone will be focusing on the Ghana Premier League, and it will just be good, and it will generate more money, attract more players to the league, and keep our best players instead of selling them abroad. So I think officials and the officiating have a major role to play in building the Ghana Premier League. And what happened in Obuasi yesterday was a disgrace. It shouldn't be happening in the Ghana Premier League. So overall, I was happy with the performance. That's the first half performance, and the second half performance not too good. What matters, as I said earlier, is the results. We've gone to a point where the result is the main issue. Mediama not that strong. House of Oak strong with plan. Great Olympics with plan, and they are all fighting for the Ghana Premier League trophy. Do you understand what I mean? Kotoko, don't have a particular playing style. Changing. But I'm telling you right now, what matters now, because we are at the end of the Ghana Premier League season, what matters right now is the result. Maybe if Mariano Berto gets his own transfer window, he gets time to choose his own players, to do the transfers and all that, he will have the time to change our style of play. Maybe next season when he has the full time to do whatever he wants with the team. But right now, we should just focus on the result. If we play fine, we don't win, it's no use. So it's better we play bad and get the results and win the Ghana Premier League than to play fine football, draw games and lose games. We'll still talk about it, we'll still complain. So my focus right now is, I'm telling you, I know I in the past I've talked about the need of having a style of play, attractive style of play and all that. But right now we have like few more games to left to go. We should focus on the results and get it done at the end of the season. So that is my take. I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think about the overall style of play against Ashantigold? It was 3 back. I don't think I've seen last time Kotoko. I don't think I've seen Kotoko play 3 back before in the Ghana Premier League. Asma was very good. Christopher Vanity were good. I think we limited the opponents from having taking shots or having chances in that particular game. But I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think about the game? What do you think about Mariana Barroso overall? Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and hit the notification bell. So I think that's it. Goodbye.
Trying to draw first blood, and Emmanuel Jemfi on the other side, well, thought that he had the better. To the far side, Mudasiru will do just that. Now this looks enterprising for Asma as he sends in the cross. That's the first goal from Fabio Gama. Right place, right time. Deadlock is broken. We are in for a game.
Great goal from Asante Kotoko against the run of play. Now, Prince, look at that cross. Delicious cross. And Gama at the right place to not home. And it will be the 3rd goal for Fabio Gama this season for Asante Kotoko. Kofi Mensah completely beaten. And the former Botafogo man, Fabio Gama, writing his name